Hey everybody, so I'm going to be showing you how I am going to do a sub and sew. Basically what that is I am going to sublimate my design onto my sewing pattern. So it'll already be customized however you want. And then I'm going to print it out, press it on my heat press, and then I will begin sewing the pattern together. So it's basically like almost making a custom fabric, and I'm going to put it on 100% polyester fabric that has a four-way stretch. There you see me taping it down. And well, I've already taped it down. And I'm taking it to my heat press. And you would do it like you would do any regular sublimation project. You're going to go ahead and do it for 400 degrees, temperature varying on your personal press. But for me, it is 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And as you can see, it came out great. Love, love, love. And also, you guys, for this video, I'm not gonna have any music playing. If I get quiet, it's just because I've pretty much already spoken and said everything. So right here, I'm just cutting up the fabric so that I could go in individually and go ahead and cut out the pattern, and anything that needs to be fixed. So now that I've done that, I'm just putting everything together and going in and clipping everything as well. But yeah, as I was saying, it'll just be quiet, and then you guys can just go ahead and watch. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know, have you guys used this technique? It is called sub and sew. I think it is a great a great thing, because now I don't have to worry about trying to find fabric. I can customize my own fabric and everything. Like, when I say it is a lifesaver, it is a lifesaver, you guys. Okay, so this sewing machine that I am using, I got at Walmart. It was just $88. It is a brother sewing machine, and I love it. I haven't had any issues with it, no complaints. It is very budget friendly. So if you are looking into breaking into learning sewing, I would definitely say get this, because if you end up not liking it, you really didn't spend that much money, and who knows, you may go back and decide to pick it back up. So again, there are tons of videos on here and YouTube about sewing, and go ahead and get into different groups. And a matter of fact, I will list the groups that I am in um, on here, so you guys can go and follow them on Facebook, and everything else. So I love the group. It's really, really nice and everything. So here you just see me sewing the pattern together. And if you've ever sewn before, and if you've ever sewn socks before, you kind of know how the pattern and everything goes, and just, right sides together, getting those seams closed and everything else. So that's pretty much what's going on right now. Here you see me putting the band on, because I actually made these knee-high socks, and you'll be able to see those as well. Also, towards the end, you'll see two pair of socks that I've made. I made this, which was Harry Potter inspired, and then I kind of did like a Burberry-ish looking pair. Kind of reminds me of Clueless. I'm aging myself there, but definitely reminds me of Clueless. I love them. You'll see them towards the end. And I have finished the socks, you guys. So now I'm just flipping everything out, making sure all the seams were closed. There's no holes. Everything works together. Um, and it came out great, you guys. So that's just it. Make sure you check your seam work. Make sure you don't have any holes, because you'd hate to think that you're done and you're not. And then coming up next, there go my happy feet. Yes, just my happy feet. So as you can see, I love, love, love my design. Now, if you guys like this, I'll also leave the links below where you can purchase the PNGs and JPEGs for this. You can use them for anything, but I just decided to use them for socks because, I'm a big Harry Potter's fan. So yes, and then I don't think I have the other pair of socks.